When people ask me about getting their perfect hairstyle, most expect me to start with the obvious stuff like face shape, hair texture, or what's trending right now. And while those things matter, I always remind them that finding the hairstyle that truly feels perfect for you goes deeper than that. Over the past few months, I've worked with so many clients who thought they needed a certain look, but after some guidance, they realized their perfect hairstyle was something completely different, something that actually fit their lifestyle and personality. Today, I want to share 12 pieces of advice that I've given to people repeatedly. Advice that helped them figure out their look, and advice I know will help you too. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Number one, the first thing I always tell people is to listen to their hair. Your hair, believe it or not, tells you what it wants. If your hair naturally falls a certain way, maybe that's where your part should be. If your hair is thick and textured, it will never behave like thin, fine hair, no matter how many products you use. I've seen people fight against their natural hair for years, trying to force it into something it isn't. The result is always frustration. The truth is, your perfect hairstyle starts when you accept your hair type, not when you try to change it. Even products and tools should be chosen based on your hair needs. Some hair thrives with a blow dryer, some looks better air dried, some hair responds beautifully to sea salt spray, while others just need a little lightweight cream. Once you start listening to your hair instead of fighting it, styling becomes much easier and your hairstyle will feel like it belongs to you instead of being forced. Number two, I remind people that many times what they need is not a better haircut but better styling. I remember one of my students who was obsessed with the idea that his haircut was never good enough. Every few weeks, he'd want a new cut, thinking the next one would finally be the perfect one. When I started working with him, I realized his haircut wasn't the problem at all. The problem was how he styled it. His hair had amazing potential, but he wasn't bringing it to life. So instead of cutting, I taught him how to use a blow dryer, how to add volume in the right spots, and how to finish with the right product for his texture. Sometimes the cut you already have is perfect, but without styling, you will never see its full potential. Imagine you want a classic middle part, but you're not sure it will actually suit you. Just imagine that you have an app where you can upload your image and replace your current hairstyle with a middle part with just one touch. You feel overwhelmed, right? I'm building an exact app for all of you guys. Not only you can replace any hairstyle with your current hairstyle, but you can also find your face shape in real time. A 24/7 hair chatbot coach where you can ask any question related to your hair and hairstyle, and a monthly hair tracker to see real progress week after week. It will be ready at the end of the year, but if you get it now, I have a special offer for you guys. You can access my private community, where you can DM me directly and ask me any questions. Slots are limited, as I can't promise to reply hundreds of people. It is 100% risk-free, because you can ask for a refund anytime within 30 days of the app launch if you feel it's not worth buying. Links to it are in the description and pinned comment. So, grab your spot and I'll see you inside. Number three, another thing I encourage is choosing a hairstyle that you can rock in multiple ways. If your hair looks the same every day, you'll get bored quickly. But if your hairstyle allows you to push it back one day, wear it messy the next, or even clean and polished for a special event, you will always feel fresh. Versatility is very, very important. For example, I personally have medium hair and I can style it in a high top side part, middle part, and even the slick back style. When you have that kind of haircut, you can adjust your style depending on your mood, the occasion, or even the weather. It keeps things exciting and prevents you from getting trapped in a single look that loses its charm after a while. Number four, another mistake I see all the time is people not getting the right hairstyle, not because they can't, but because they're listening to too many different voices at once. One day, their barber tells them one thing, the next day, their friend insists on something completely different, and then they watch 3 YouTube videos that all say the opposite. The result is total confusion and no clear direction. And here's my honest advice. Stop listening to everyone. If you really want to find your perfect hairstyle, pick one person you trust and stick with them. It could be your barber, a stylist, or even someone whose advice you follow online. So I suggest you choose one clear path and not jump back and forth between 10 different opinions. Because when you listen to everyone, you end up listening to no one. Number five, this is one of the most misunderstood things I've seen. A lot of people think that if they want long hair, they should stop cutting it completely. That's not the way it works. Even when you're growing your hair, you still need trims to avoid the awkward phase, to keep the shape manageable, and most importantly, to get rid of split ends that make your hair look unhealthy. A small trim every now and then doesn't stop your progress. It actually helps you get to your goal faster because your hair looks and feels better along the way. The journey to your perfect hairstyle is not about avoiding haircuts. It is about getting the right ones at the right time. Number 6. Your perfect hairstyle should not depend on loading your hair with products every single day. I suggest keeping things simple. Overusing products not only damages your hair over time, but it also makes styling exhausting. Most guys don't want to spend 30 minutes every morning just fixing their hair. That's why I often recommend hairstyles that look good naturally, with only light styling when you actually want to step it up. For normal days, a blow dryer and maybe a bit of sea salt spray are more than enough. Save the heavy styling products for occasions when you really want to polish the look. This way, your hair stays healthy, you save time, and you avoid building a routine you can't keep up with. The perfect hairstyle is one you can maintain consistently, not one that drains your energy. Number 7. Too many people want an instant transformation, thinking that the right hairstyle will just appear with one cut. The truth is, finding your look is a process. Your hair is constantly changing. It grows, it reacts to the season. It changes with your health and even your stress levels. If you're growing it out, don't give up halfway through just because the awkward stage feels uncomfortable. If you're trying something bold, give yourself time to get used to it before rushing back to your old look. Patience is about trusting the process and understanding that the journey to your perfect hairstyle may take months, not days. Number 8. I talk a lot about consistency. You can have the best haircut in the world, but if you don't maintain it, it loses its edge quickly. And when I say consistency, I don't just mean going to the barber every few weeks. I mean being consistent with how you treat your hair daily. For example, washing it the right way, not overloading it with products, brushing it properly, and protecting it from heat. These small, consistent habits are what keep your hairstyle looking sharp over time. Protection is not a one-day achievement. It is something you maintain by respecting your hair regularly. Number 9. Another piece of advice I always give is to focus on balance rather than perfection. I've had people obsess over every tiny strand being in place. And that's not what makes a hairstyle perfect. Perfection in hair is not about every single detail being flawless. It is about balance. Balance between your hair and your face, balance between your hairstyle and your lifestyle, balance between looking stylish and looking natural. For example, if you have strong facial features, a hairstyle that softens them slightly creates harmony. If you're more on the reserved side, a hairstyle that is too loud will feel unbalanced. Balance makes everything look effortless. And that's what most people are really chasing when they say they want their perfect hairstyle. Number 10. The styles you see online, those perfectly styled photos, are often the result of professional lighting, editing, and half a can of hairspray. Real life is messier. Hair moves, it shifts throughout the day, and honestly, that's what makes it look real and stylish. Some of the best hairstyles I've ever seen were not polished or frozen in place. They had movement, they had flow, they had character. So when you're searching for your perfect style, don't ask yourself, how can I get it look flawless all the time? Instead, ask, how can I make it look good even when it is not perfect? Number 11. I always remind people that their perfect hairstyle is not permanent. What looks perfect on you at 20 might not work at 30 or 40. And that's completely normal. As you grow, your style grows with you. Some clients feel stuck trying to hold on to a look they had years ago, even though it no longer fits who they are. I had a client who wore the same shortcut for more than a decade. One day, he trusted me to give him a longer style with more movement. At first, he wasn't sure, but a week later, he told me he had never felt better. Sometimes, your perfect hairstyle is the one you haven't even tried yet. Letting go and embracing change is very, very important. Your perfect hairstyle today may not be your perfect hairstyle tomorrow, and that's a good thing. It means you're evolving, and your style is evolving with you. And that's it, my friends. If you don't know how to find your perfect hairstyle, watch this video next, where I have shared everything from finding your perfect hairstyle to actually rocking it.